Hi guys, we are going to take a look at a book titled Rules at Home by Travis Schaefer, illustrated by Karis Thiel. And this book comes from our News to You library and is related to our lesson this month over government, rules, and laws. So let's go ahead and get started. Rules are important. Rules can keep us safe. Rules can keep things organized. Rules can help everyone. We have rules at home. Rule 1. Keep doors locked. Rule 2. Do not leave the refrigerator open. Rule 3. Put away toys each day. Rule 4. Do not open the door to strangers. Rule 5. Phones off at the dinner table. Rule 6. Put dirty dishes in the dishwasher. Rule 7. Brush your teeth before bed. Rule 8. Turn off lights before bed. We follow rules at home every day. The end. All right, thanks for watching and listening, guys. I'll see you back here for the next read along.